one. In the first one, what is the first object?
Ma'am, can't hear.
We need what is the first object in first bit?
Duck.
Then?
Flower.
Then?
Duck.
Next?
Flower.
Next?
Duck.
Next?
Flower.
Now what should come after flower? What should be the next object?
Duck.
Yes. So we will draw a circle around this duck. That's correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Ketan, second bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first object. First.
Honeybee.
Honeybee or honeybee?
Honeybee.
Okay, next. Snail.
Snail. Honey.
Next.
Snail.
Huh?
Again snail, ma'am.
Then?
Honeybee.
Then?
Snail.
Then?
Snail.
Now what should be the next?
Honeybee.
Yes, honeybee. So we will circle this honeybee. Okay, that's correct. Siddharth, next one. Yes, Siddharth. Third one.
Cake.
Okay, cupcakes. Okay, what is the shape?
Teddy bear shape, ma'am.
First one is teddy bear. Okay, second.
Teddy bear.
Okay, next.
Cupcake.
Okay, that's not a teddy bear shaped cupcake. Okay, next.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. After that.
Teddy bear and cupcake.
Okay, so actually all these are cupcakes, but first two are teddy bear shaped cupcakes. Second one is somewhat different from teddy bear. Then again we have two teddy bear shaped cupcake. And then next one is again some different cupcake. Okay, now what should be the next one, Siddharth?
Teddy bear, ma'am.
Yeah, teddy bear shaped cupcake should be the next one. So we will circle it. Or you can say we will ring that object. Okay. Ashita, now tell me what's there in the fourth bit.
Apple.
Then?
2 flowers.
Okay, then?
Apple.
Then?
2 flowers.
Okay, 2 flowers. Okay, now what should be the next?
Apple.
Apple again. Okay, so we will bring this apple. Fine. Yes, done here. Or is there anyone who is still completing this question number 1? Yes, done. Yes, Akshara.
Ma'am, I'm already done.
See, those who have already completed, very good. You can check your answers. And Akshara, where were you for so many days?
My dad was out of station and there was no internet.
Okay, fine. Okay. Akshara, please complete your pending work, okay? Okay. Fine. So we'll move on to next one. Yes, children, turn the page and come to page number 96. On page number 96 of your textbook, this question number 2 is there. Turn the page and come to page number 9696. Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
please read this question.
Okay, ma'am. Little.
Question number 2 on page number 96. This is the first question on page number 96. Look at your screen. It's there in your book also.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw and yes. Try to read that word. What's that?
Draw and Read.
C-O-L-O-U-R. What is this?
Circle.
Color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color.
Color. Is
T-H-E. The.
the
Dhriti, you need more and more reading practice.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, and please pay attention in class. Okay, after the N-E-X-T next.
N-E-X-E. Next.
T-W-O-2.
T-W-O-2.
Then next one, S-H-A-P-S. Shapes.
Shapes. 2.
Yeah. Then
In.
E-X-T-E-N-D. Extend.
Extend
The patterns.
patterns.
Yeah. So what we have to do here, we have to draw. Yeah, thank you, Dhruti. We have to draw and color the next two shapes. Two blanks are there, so we will be drawing here two shapes. Next two shapes, we will color them also. To extend the pattern. Extend means we have to increase the pattern, right? So we have to look at the first pattern. Yes, Akshara, what is there? First shape. First shape. Yes, Akshara, first shape.
Square.
Yeah.
Square.
What is this? Which shape is this?
Curve.
It's a curve. Which shape is this?
It is square shape.
Square. All sides of squares are equal. All sides are not equal. Akshara, look at the shape carefully and then tell me which shape is this.
Rectangle.
Yes, it's a rectangle. Now next shape, Akshara.
Oval.
Oval. Good. Next.
Square.
Is it square? Look in your book, Akshara. Tell me what is that? Rectangle. Then?
Oval.
Then?
Rectangle.
Now what should be the next shape after rectangle?
Oval.
Yes, oval. So we will draw here an oval shape. Okay. Yes, children, I am using cursor here, but you are using your pencil, so you should draw this shape properly. Okay. Fine. Now we have to color this shape also. So we will be coloring it. This is not exactly red also, but fine. We will color it red. Okay. So you have to color and draw the next shape. So we will color it also. And you will use the same color. It is not exactly red also, but fine, we will color it red. Okay. Or you can color it brown also. It's up to you. Because it's not even red, not exactly brown also. Fine, we will color it brown. Okay. Let's color it brown. Okay. Sai Ritvik, please sit at one place. Stop roaming here and there. Tanvisri, you unmute yourself and tell me what should be the next shape.
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the next shape?
Diamond.
First bit after oval.
Rectangle.
Yes, it should be a rectangle. So we will draw a rectangle here. Okay, that's correct. Next shape should be a rectangle, and we need to color this rectangle also. It is light purple. So we will use here light purple color. Okay. And children, don't forget to color these shapes, and you will use either crayons or pencil colors. Nobody will use sketch pens. Okay, so we will color this rectangle. Arohi, tell me what is the shape in second bit?
Diamond.
Diamond. Then
Triangle.
very good. It's a triangle. Then
Diamond.
Now what should be the next shape?
Triangle.
Very good. Next shape should be a triangle. So we will draw a triangle here. Very good. That's correct. And Arohi, after triangle, what should be the next shape?
Diamond.
Yes. That's correct. Next shape should be a diamond. So we will draw a diamond here now. Okay. Now we need to color these shapes. Okay. So again, I am using here brown color to color this triangle. Okay. Yes, children, you need to color it properly. Yes, Rohit.
Ma'am, which page number?
Rohit, this is page number 96 of your math textbook. And for the diamond shape, we'll be using here blue color. So we will color it blue. Okay. Now, next. Janvi, please unmute yourself. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Janvi, third bit.
Triangle.
Okay.
Rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle. Triangle. Rounded rectangle.
Then what should be the next shape?
Rounded rectangle.
Yes. So
And triangle.
very good. Very good. That's correct. It looks like a rectangle which has round edges. Sorry, rounded corners. So we will try to draw like that only. Okay. Yes, Ayan.
Which page, ma'am?
This is page number 96, textbook.
This book.
Yeah. Okay, so we need to color it. Again, we'll be using a purple color for this rectangle. Children, you need to draw shapes properly, okay? Don't judge my drawing. I'm using cursor here. And still, I'll try to draw. Okay. And as Janvi told, next shape should be a triangle. So we will draw a triangle next. And color of this triangle is yellow. So we will color this triangle yellow. Okay. Pradiksha, please unmute yourself and tell me what is the next shape in fourth bit.
More than
Huh?
Small diamond, big diamond.
Small diamond and big diamond, or two small diamonds?
Two small diamonds.
Two small diamonds, then
Big diamond.
one big diamond. Okay, then
Small diamond.
then again two small diamonds.
Two
Okay,
small diamonds.
Pratiksha, now tell me what should be the next shape after these two small diamonds. What should
Big diamond.
Yes, we need to draw here
A big diamond.
yes. So we will draw here a big diamond. Okay. And after this big diamond, Pratiksha?
Small diamond.
Yes, after this big diamond, we will draw here a small diamond. That's correct. Okay, now.
Green color and pink color.
Yeah, so green color and pink color. So big diamond is in green color. So we will color it green. Okay, so let's color it green, children. Big diamond is in green color, so we will color it green. And small diamond is in pink color, so we will use pink color here. Done. Yes, do it fast. I'll give it 30 seconds. After that, we'll start number pattern. Sorry, not number pattern, increasing and decreasing pattern. Yes, children, take 30 seconds. Yes, done, or is there anyone who is still coloring these shapes? Okay, no one. Fine. Okay, children, on that same page, that is on page number 96, we have this increasing and decreasing pattern. I said on that same page, that is on page number 96, you can see this increasing and decreasing pattern. Right? You have this. This is increasing and decreasing patterns. Right? Now, what do you mean by increasing and decreasing pattern? Can anyone tell me what is increasing and what is decreasing pattern? Any one of you? Okay. Yes, I, Joshua, please unmute yourself.
Increasing means small to big.
I'm talking
Decreasing
about
big to small.
increasing pattern.
Pardon, ma'am?
I am talking about increasing pattern.
Increasing pattern.
Okay. At least you tried. Very good, Sai Joshi. You should try. Okay, Janvi, please unmute yourself.
Number of objects are increasing in the order.
Okay. And decreasing?
Number of objects will decrease.
Number of objects will decrease. Okay, good. Anyone else? Anyone else? Is there anyone who can tell me what is increasing and what is decreasing pattern? Anyone else? Anyone? Ashita is having good time. She's roaming here and there. Good, Ashita. Yes, anyone? Okay, fine. Now look at your screen, children. You can see some beads are there. Green color beads are there. In the first one, there are 2 beads. In the second one, how many are there? 3. In the next one, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll write number here. In the first one, 2 beads are there. Next one, 3 beads are there. After that, how many are there? 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are here. And in the last one, how many are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the last one, 6 beads are there. Right? So if you will look at this pattern carefully, you can see that number of beads, the number of beads is increasing by 1. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. It is increasing by 1. That is, the number of object is increasing. So this is called as, or this type of pattern is called as increasing pattern. Okay? Right? Mana? Yeah. In your book, in the last one, 6 beads are there. After 6 beads, how many beads should be there if I want to extend this pattern?
5 beads.
After 6, how many should be there if I want to extend this pattern? 7. Very good. There should be 7 beads. After 7? 8. Then? 9. Very good. So like this, we have to increase the number of beads if we want to extend this pattern. So this is known as increasing pattern, right? Okay, now look at the second one, children, on your screen. Some leaves are there. In the first picture, how many leaves are there? Brinda, you tell me. Brinda Raj, please unmute yourself and tell me, in the first picture, how many leaves are there? In this first one, how many leaves are there? Brinda, please unmute yourself.
1.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. In the first one, 6 leaves are there. Okay. Now in the second one, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So we will write here 5. Now in the next one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. In the next one, 4. Now in next.
1, 2, 3.
3. Good. Next.
1, 2.
2. Very good. Now what is happening here, children? Here, number of leaves is decreasing. If you will look at the pattern carefully, in the first one, 6 leaves were there, then 5, then 4, 3, 2. So what is happening here? Number of leaves is decreasing by 1, right? So this type of pattern is known as decreasing pattern. Now, Brinda, you tell me what should be the next one. How many leaves should be there? Brinda? Brinda, you need to unmute yourself. Brinda, yeah. Yes, Brinda. How many should be there now? We are decreasing. We are going backward. So what comes just before 2?
2.
Just before 2. What comes?
1.
1. So this means that if I want to extend this pattern, then in the next one, there should be only one leaf. That's the correct answer. There should be only one leaf. Okay. So if the number of object is decreasing, that is known as decreasing pattern. And if it is increasing, then that is known as increasing pattern. Okay. Now we'll start this My Practice Time 2, children. You can see on same page, that is on page number 96. My Practice Time 2 is written there. Okay, so we will be completing this My Practice Time 2 now. Bhavashrit, please read this question. Bhavashrit, please read this question on your screen. Yes, Bhavashrit, read this first question.
Draw the next one to extend the pattern.
Yeah, so we have to draw the next one to extend the pattern. Now, Bhavashrit, tell me in the first one, how many circles are there?
4.
Then?
5.
Yes, children, in the first one, 4 circles are there. Then 5. Yes, in the next one?
6.
Very good. 6 circles are there. Then how many circles we have?
7.
7. Now, Bhavashrit, first tell me, this is an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern?
Increasing.
Here, number of circles.
Decreasing pattern. Increasing.
Bhavashrit, you tell me, just tell me one thing here, number of circles are increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Yes, you can see here, children, first there were 4 circles, then 5, then 6, and then 7. So numbers are increasing. Number of circles are increasing. So this is an increasing pattern. Now what should be the next one, Bhavashrit?
8.
Very good. After 7, next number is 8, right? After 7 comes 8. So we will be drawing here 8 circles. So children, let us count and draw here 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we will draw here 8 circles. Okay. Now next, I hope you all have done till here. Rohit Chaudhary. Yes, children, come to next page. That is page number 97. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit. Yeah. Rohit, tell me in first bit on page number 97, how many balloons are there? Sorry, bit B.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so 5 balloons are there. Fine, I'll write here 5. In the next one, how many are there? How many balloons are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Okay, so I'll write here 4. Then
3,
3. Then
2.
Rohit, you tell me first, this is an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? We are moving forward or we are moving backward?
Forward.
We are moving forward. Number of balloons are increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Number of balloons are becoming less or more?
Less.
Less. So this means that this is not an increasing pattern. This is a decreasing pattern, right? Now tell me how many balloons should be there in the next one?
1.
Very good. So there will be only 1 balloon. So we will draw here only 1 balloon. That's correct. Okay. Now next one. Ronald, please unmute yourself and tell me what's there in third bit. Ronald?
Third bit.
Yeah.
Ring the object.
No, Ronald. On page number 97.
97.
On page number 97, it is second bit, but according to question number 1, this is third bit. Triangle is there, orange color. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me. In first triangle, how many circles are there in first triangle?
1,
Only one circle is there. In second triangle, how many?
2,
Then?
3,
Then?
4.
Very good. So if I draw a circle here, sorry, if I draw a triangle here, then how many circles should I draw?
5.
Very good. We will draw here 5 circles. Now, and tell me one more thing, Ronald, is this an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Number of circles are increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Very good. Number of circles are increasing. So we will draw here how many circles? 1, 2,
2,
then
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Right? That's
Yeah.
correct. Thank you, Ronald. Okay. That's correct. Now, Sudhamsh.
Yeah.
Sudhamsh, are you there?
Yeah. Yeah.
You should say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, Sudhamsh, please read the second question on page number 97. This one. Ring the... Yes, Sudhamsh.
4.
Ring the...
4.
Ring the object.
2.
Sudhamsh, why you are not reading?
3rd.
Sudhamsh, am I audible to you?
Yeah.
Then
Yes.
why you are not reading this question?
That.
I'm asking you to read this bit. Sudhamsh, will you start reading this bit? Not responding. Ayansh Gupta, please read this second question on page number 97. Ayansh Gupta, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the second question.
Ring the object that continues for continues to from the pattern. Also color it.
Yes. So we have to read the object the pattern and we need to color it also. Okay, fine. Now in the first bit, how many triangles are there?
1 triangle.
Then
2.
Then 2 triangles. Then
3.
3. So here we have one triangle.